now. Okay guys, so this video is gonna be amazing. Today we're gonna see if we can do the 0 to 60 in 3 seconds, well, and 4 seconds. We're gonna test that today, and the launch control in the Supra. So this video is gonna be amazing. Okay guys, so today we're gonna test the 0 to 60. Let's see how many seconds we can do and enjoy the car. Let's have a little bit of fun with this car. You can see it. Beautiful, man. I love it. It's already in a sport mode. So let's launch it right now. Wait for the light. Wow, man, this is amazing. Okay guys, so we are here on the spot, secret spot. So we're gonna test the 0 to 60. First we're gonna do it in automatic, then we're gonna do it at the paddle shifter, and after that I'm gonna try if I can do it with the launch control, but I still am not sure yet how to do it. So let's see if I can do it. Let me put this. Okay, 1, 2, now. Wow. Wow. Let's do it again. 0 to 60, full stop. 1, 2, 3. Wow, man. Wow, it's amazing. Okay, this is a good street, nobody's here. So let me go back again. And now let's do it with the paddle shifters. I'm still learning this car, so please be patient. I'm gonna see if I know how to use the paddle shifters. It's gonna be hard because this car is a 7-speed automatic. So let's try the paddle shifter again. All right. So, okay, right there. I know. Now I know. 1, 2, 3, now. Okay, I'm already. All right. So let me put it. Okay. So sorry, I'm a little bit slow with the paddle shifters. I think this works better without the paddle shifters. the computer will shift faster than me. So let me try again, and now let's see if I can do the, how you call, launch control. Let's test the launch control. Okay, and this is the last one, because no cars are here, but I don't want nobody to call the police and tell him that I'm doing something bad. Okay. Okay, so what the guy said, let me see, you have to press the brake, turn traction control off, and then okay, I think I didn't do it. All right, so I'm still learning. I think that didn't work. So if you know how to do it, let me know. Put it in the comments. If you know how to do the launch control, let me park here so I can explain. Okay, so this car is a lot of fun, but if you know how to do the launch control, put in the comments. I still don't know. I tried, but it didn't work. And it's very scary. Without the traction control, the car slides. So I'm not gonna try again because I don't wanna have an accident. Okay, but this car is amazing. Wow, it's super fast. But I'm not gonna be driving like this every time. So this is just for the video. I'm gonna be driving safely. If you test this, do it in a safe area. But let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, that's the 0 to 60. So I'm gonna put the time in there, so but it should be like around 3 seconds. This car is super fast, and I think I still don't know how to control it because it's super fast. So I'm gonna be driving safe. No, I'm not gonna be driving like this all the time. Okay, this is just for the video. Okay, but the car is a lot of fun. Also, if you know how to do the launch control, put in the comments, because I don't know. I couldn't figure it out. Okay, and let me know what modifications do you want to see for this car. Put it in the comments. This car, it gets pretty hot fast when you're doing like some pulls. So I should get some like a intercooler, some better radiator, things to cool off the car faster. Okay, and I'm planning to do suspension. Let me know, should I get just springs, coilovers, and or bags? That okay. So put in the comments the modifications: coilovers, bags, intake, what else? Body kit, but that's in the future. Better body kit. And remember, a full wrap. I already picked the color. This color is gonna be super cool. Okay, so but let me know what color do you think will look good for this car. Put in the comments. Okay, let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one. More content for the Supra is coming. Mods, modifications, parts, tune, maybe, I don't know, because I don't know if the tune will work for the 2021 Supra, but if that one works, I will tune this one. Okay, and subscribe for more videos like this one, hit the notification bell, and see you on the next video.